Good morning everyone. Standard 8 Mathematics. Chapter number 6 Squares and Square Root. The first we remember this main point this chapter. The first square of a number. So what is the meaning of square? The square of a number is obtained by multiply it by itself. Example 5 into 5 that means 5 square. 7 into 7 that means 7 square. 13 into 13 that means 13 square. A into A that means A square. And perfect square of square number. If the given number is square of a whole number, then the given number is said to be perfect square or square number. Example 1 into 1 that means 1 square is equal to 1. 2 into 2, 2 square is equal to 2 2s are 4. 3 into 3 is equal to 3 square is that means 3 3s are 9. Then there are here 1, 4, 9 are perfect square numbers. There are and every number can be perfect square. Following tables indicates the digit at unit place of a number and digit at unit place of its square. So now here see the unit digit of the number and unit digit of the square of the given number. So remember, when unit digit is number is 0, then digit is given square also number 0. 1 or 9 then answer 1. 2 or 8 that means 4. 3 or 7 that means 9. 4 or 6 that means 6 and 5 that means 5. If a number has 0 at unit place, then its square ends with 00, 20. If a number has 20 at unit and 10 place, then its square ends with 40. And a number ending 2, 3, 7 or 8 cannot be perfect square. Square of an odd number is odd and square of an even number is even. The next point is square root. A number that produces another particular number when it is multiplied by itself is called a square root of the particular number. Other than this 3 square is equal to 9. So therefore square root of 9 is 3. And positive square root of a number is denoted by the symbol of this one. Note, since 9 square is equal to 81, but minus 9 square is equal to also 81. So the square root of 81 are 9 and minus 9 both. But root 81 is 9, not minus 9. This one remember. Okay. So now we are going to start workbook. So now we are going to start question number 5. Write the unit place of the square of the following numbers. So we see which one here, main point here. 52 last 2 that means here what come 4. 3 that means 9. 7 that means 9. 6 that means 6. 5 that means 5. 9 that means 1. 4 that means 6 and 8 that means 4. So this way type complete. Now question number 6. Mark in the front of the number which can be perfect square and cross in the front which cannot be the perfect square. So we know perfect square last number 61. That means this one also, this one and this one, 4th. 5 1 also, 6 1 also, 7th one, 8th one. 9th one also, 10th one also, 11 also, but 12 not. To cross. 13 not, 14 not, 15 not. To all cross and then 16 that means yes. Find the square root by the method of representative subtraction. There 81. To which number is root? We know 9. 9 9s. 1 2 that means 11. This one 12 and this one 30. Now question number 4. 8 words say find the square root the following number by the prime factor. So we know which type we doing prime factors method. The first one 44. The first here factor do table 2 here where come 7 2s are 14 and 2 2s are 4. 72. Then 2 table here 3 3s are 6 and here 36. Then 2. So 18 2s are 36. Then 2 9 2s are 18. Then here 3 table 3 3s are and 3 1s are. The 144 how many come? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 3 into 3. So here 2 2 square then 2 square double 2 that means 2 square and that means 3 square. The total root of 144 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 that means 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Same type 256 the same 2, that means 1 2 8, 2 then 64, then 2 then 32, then 2 16, then 2 8, then 4 4 2 are, and then 1. The total how many? 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2. That means 2 square, 2 square, 2 square, 2 square. The 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Now 324, 324 2, that means 162, then 81, then triple 3, 27, then 9 3s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So here how many? 2 2 3 3 3 3, that means 2 3, 2 square, 3 square and 3 square, that means 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Same type 484, so 2, that means 242. Then 11, 1 2 1, that means 11, 11 1s are 11. So how many? 2 2, 11 11. So 2 square, 11 square, that means 18, 11 2s are 22. Same type question number 5 and 6. So 5 6 into 6, so 2, then 2 2 8, that means 2 1 4 4, that means 2 72, then 2 36, then 18, then 3, that means 3 3s, and then 3 1s. So here how many come? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Then here double 2, then double 2, then double 2 and 3. So 2 square 2 square 2 and 3. The 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Same 676. The first 2, that means 338, then 2 169, then 13, 13s are, that means 13 1s are 13. So 2 2 and 13 13. So 2 into 13, that means 26. Same 784. Then 2, that means 392, then 2 196, then 298, then 49. The 7 7s are 49. So here double 2, double 2, double 7. The 2 into 2 into 7. 2 2s are 4 and 7, that means 28. Then here 900. The first 2, that means 450, then 2, that means 225, then 3 75, then 325, and then 5 5s are 25. The 900 is equal to 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 5 into 5. When 2 3 5, that means 5 3s are 15, 2s are 30. Then question number 9. 1 2 9 6. So here 2, that means 648, then 2 324, then 2 162, then 3 81, then 3 27, then 3 9, and 3 1s are 3. So here 2 2 2 2 3 3 and 3 3. So 2 into 2, 3 into 3, the total 36. The same type question number 10, 11 and 12 do in your homework. Okay. Now question number 9. What say? Find a square root the following by the prime factor method. The same type. So 5929, that means 7 division by 7, then 8 4 7 come, then divisible by 7, then 2 1, then 11 11. Same here 7 and 11. So 7 into 11 77. Here 1 2 2 5. So table 5, that means 2 4 5 come division doing, and then 5. 79 7 7, the same 5 5 7 7, then 5 into 7 35. Same type 6085, that means 2, that means 3042, then 2 15 21, then 3 507, then 3 169, then 13 1 13. So here 2 2 3 3 and 13 13. 2 into 3 into 13, that means 78. Same type 77 4, the 2, that means 38 72, 2 9 6 3 6, and then 2 9 6 8, then 2 4 8 4, then 2 2 4 2, then 11. So 2 2 2 4 and 8, that means 88. Now question number 10. 10. Find two members of Pythagorean's triple in the following way. The first one member is 6. That means 2m is equal to 6. Then m is equal to 6 divided by 2. Then m is equal to 3. Then m square minus 1. That means 3. Here 3m is equal to the 3 square minus 1. That means 3 square 9. 9 minus 1. That means 8. And m square plus 1. That means 3 square. 3 3 is 9 plus 1. That means 10. Same one number is 14. So same 2m is equal to 14. m is equal to 14 divided by 2. That means 7. m square minus 1. That means 7 square minus 1. 7 square 49 minus 1 48. And m square plus 1. That means m square 7 square plus 1. That means 49 plus 1 50. Same one number is 16. So 2m is equal to 16. m is equal to 16 divided by 2. That is equal to 18. m square minus 1. a square minus 1 is equal to 64 minus 1. That means 63. And m square plus 1. So 8 square 64 plus 1. That means 65. Now question number 11. For each of the following numbers, find the smallest whole number which it should be multiplied so as to get a perfect square. The first 150. The first 2, that means 225. Then 3 table, that means 75. And then 3, that means 25. Then 5, then 5 5s. So here 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 5. So here 3 into 3, 5 into 5. But 2 is, that means multiplying 2. We get the perfect square the number. When we hear multiplication also 2, then we get the perfect square. Same type 1 3 2 3. The table 3 here 4 4 1, then 3 147, and then 3 49 7 7. So here 3 into 3 into 7 to 7. So here 3 into 3 and 7 to 7, but this 3 not. So by multiplying 3 we get the perfect square number. Same type 1573. So 1573, that means 11, that means 143 and 11, that means 13 ones are 13. So here 11 into 13, that means 11 into 11. So by multiplying 13 we get the perfect square number. Now question number 12. For each of the following number, find the smallest whole number which it should be divided so as to get a perfect square. The first one 1575. The 1575 we have first table 3 to division, that means 5 to 5, then 3 to 175, and then 5, then 35 and 157. 7 ones are 7. The first 3 into 3, 5 into 5 and 7. So by dividing with 7 we get the perfect square number. Same type 882. The first 2, that means 441, then 3 to 147, then 3 to 49, then 7 ones are 7. So here 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 to 7. 3 into 3 and 7 into 7 square, but it divided by with 2 we get this perfect square number. Same type 5445. The 3 was 3, that means 1815, then 3 to 605, then 5 to 1 to 1 and 11, that means 11 ones are 11. So here 3 into 3 and 11 into 11, but 5 here by dividing with 5 we get the perfect square number. So today these classes we are doing only question number 12, and next classes we start the question number 13. Okay.